In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your Vizio TV has the power button over here flashing white. Alright, so if it's flashing white and you press on it and nothing is happening, don't worry, okay? The easiest thing to do is to go and unplug your Vizio TV from the wall outlet, or if it's on the power bar, well, unplug it from there, like this. I always suggest you plug it directly in a wall socket. So go ahead and after waiting around 10 seconds, plug it back in a regular wall socket. Now you may notice that the light is still blinking white. What you have to do is to simply wait around 2 minutes. I noticed that just waiting a bit will make this problem disappear and your TV will work. So let's just wait again. I'll come back when this light has stopped blinking. You even see now that it blinks slower. Before that it was blinking really quickly and it will simply stop blinking. Oh, here we go. You see, it stopped completely. Well, then you can press the button that is usually located under the light, under the TV, once, like this. And once you do this, hopefully your Vizio TV will turn on. Give it a few seconds. You're gonna see, here we go, the logo and everything should work as it's supposed to work. If you're still having issues, I suggest you disconnect it once again from the wall outlet. And while it's disconnecting, go and press the power button. Keep it pressed during 30 seconds. Then release that power button. Unplug any HDMI devices that you have connected to your TV. And then plug it back in the wall socket. Hopefully after you power it on, it will work as usual. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.